Okay, so quick trade recap of the day. Today is Friday, the 24th of April 2026. Let me go to today's price action. Ended up taking one small loss and one R win, 1% win, and one 0.55% loss. Overall, happy how I played today. Pretty much, I want to talk about this trade in a bit specific way because at the first time I trailed my stop because I'm backtesting a lot and I'm like making some graphics and collecting data about break-even statistics and my win and loss break-evens. Like my break-evens when after I set break-even and they end up being a win or a loss, and I'm trying to figure out how many of them how many of my break evens would have ended in a win and how many of them would have ended in a loss. So coming into the day, we are overall bullish, okay? What are we doing? We are just displacing higher, we are at all-time high. So I mark out my PDAs. I want to see get tagged for, yes, specifically for market open. So we have at the hourly, we have it's unfilled hourly. I want to see a CE tab or just this cap, see a displacement candle off of some kind of reaction that we can long off of. We are still respecting this 50-minute, and we have this order block plus we have CE of this entire hourly trading range that is sponsored off of an hourly, but I don't know what the fuck we have here. It's like a opening gap. It's not a weak opening gap, but it's like an opening gap. I don't know how much that shit matters. Like this lag is sponsored off of an hourly, so I don't know how good of a sponsorship it is to how good this hourly family gap is sponsored. Was the only thing that was pretty bad. Plus, at this point in time, we had crazy equal highs. We had triple equal highs right here, so this is a great confluence if you want to catch longs. Okay. So market opens lower. Okay, I see market just manipulating in one direction. We left 9:30 in my back testing. I'm realizing that most of the time, if 9:30 didn't manipulate the direction that 9:30 didn't manipulate it, or like the high or low of the 9:30 candle that didn't manipulate gets tagged. Okay, we got a 30-second IVG after tapping CE of this entire trading range right here. CE this purple line plus our hourly gap. Our condition to frame price is higher. I at this time was sitting at the fucking toilet because I drank coffee and I had to shit the fuck out of my ass. So I was just planning to just get more confluence to enter a trade right here. This 30-second play pretty much played out very quickly. You could have just hold by 1-1 and it would have banged. Okay, would have banged. The trade that I ended up taking was this sneaky 1-minute IVG, FEG. It was a 1.75 FEG. It wasn't the greatest, but just the type of conviction I had in this trade and all these triple equal highs plus the overall high time frame bearish buys plus tagging CEO of the range, it was just too good to not take the trade, you know. I placed my stop loss right here and my TP just hold for a 1-1. I enter right here, get filled at the top of this candle, we create an SMT and just move higher from this, okay? A lot of my time, my back testing, I use the resweep. In what is important that the moment I entered, we didn't sweep this high. Then we pushed up, swept this high. But this was something I really see in backtesting so fucking often that if I go break even, I get stopped out and it just runs my TP like 70 or 75% of the fucking time. So I just didn't win break even, and it was a good decision. So please, I fucking love you. But that backtesting is hella sauce. Then we just re-sweep this high, and I traded my stop. Okay, I didn't set my stop to break even because I just wanted this shit to flush, and I just set my break even to a key level, which is this 1-minute OB. Okay, so we had this 1-minute OB. I placed my stop right here. Then we moved lower, we fucking edged the stop loss. I don't know what this freaking price action is, like it's hella goofy. Then we edged my stop loss by, I don't know, 1 point, 2.5 points. And then we create an SMT off of this. We disrespect this this 2-minute gap right here. Here, this purple gap, this 2-minute gap. Disrespect this 2-minute gap, and I trailed my stop loss again to this low. I could have I don't know, I could have do it to right here, because this now is the new order block. Like these two blocks, candles. Like this 2-minute order block. So, but I trailed it to here to just, in case we fucking go down, wick this order block and move higher. Okay, so I just had a bit more room for price to breathe. We ended up not mitigating my target. We ended up price ended up stopping me out, and as you can see, the way I plug and played this was beautiful. Instead of losing 1%, I lost 0.55%. Very good risk management at this point. I'm proud of myself. Really proud of myself the way I played this, because really good weed. Yeah, ears at this spot is just looking like chop. Like, ears is not moving, bro. Ears not moving, man. Ears is the guy that's just fat as fuck, man. Holy shit, ears is not moving. Then we get this beautiful AMD structure. Okay, we have accumulation, manipulation. I wanted to see full distribution off of this level. We hit CE of this gap, sweep some sort of accumulation in the zone right here. And I just wanted to see some quick, crazy reaction off of this, giving me this 1 minute. We didn't do it, okay? We just manipulated lower again, creating a 5-minute rejection block, or also a 50-minute rejection block. I don't know. Yeah, even a 50-minute rejection block. Oh my god, the setup becomes bad than I thought. Because this now is the rejection block. And but we didn't even hit CE, like we edged TP. I wasn't confident in taking shorts just because of this equal lows, okay? But if we can fucking edge triple equal highs, then I don't know, like this is something that definitely downgrades the setup, or just makes the setup less good. But yeah, we hit that rejection block and mitigated, had a 5-minute fair value gap that we close above right here. With sweeping this internal high, but the way of conviction I had again into this triple equal highs plus all-time highs conditions was just too good. I don't know if we had SMT. No, we didn't have SMT. Plus the way we had in protected low right here, because we swept this low sitting inside of this fair value gap, making this low and protected low. I still set my stop at this order block. Okay, I set my stop at this order block. I placed it right here on capital.com. I don't know why the fuck I did this, but maybe for a bit more room, or just misclicked. I don't know. I entered right after this 5-minute. I got filled right here. I don't know, with this candle, I waited a bit for a push lower to just get the 1-1. Okay, set a limit order at a 1-1. Got filled and moved up and hit my take profit. Very nice trade. But on the capital.com chart, this shit edged my TP. Okay, what did it do? It edged my TP and started reversing from it. Started stopping me out at break even. Why not just like, because this is the fucking CME chart, man. This is the fucking real chart, so this shit is just a bitch. I don't know. I just I don't know what is the English word for überweisen, Digga. Überweisen. Geld überweisen. Transfer. Yeah, I just transferred all of this money, this 1,000, to my demo, because just to keep the statistics good, you know, it's just good for the statistics. Hit 1 oranges, and yeah, good take profit. Good take profit. Sometimes you can fucking hit my TP like this, man. Nice. Pretty much how I would rate Yeah, let's just go. Oh no, we even hit C of this rejection block, but this is so saucy. It's just so saucy of setup. I didn't saw the 15-minute rejection block. I just saw the 5-minute rejection block because I forgot to check the 15-minute. But this is so hella sauce. Hella sauce, hella sauce. So let's just go and journal this right here, right here, right here, right here. Let's just go down, 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 down. Thank you. April 25th. My bias was all up to these equal highs, so it was just like the draw liquidity, the DOL was right. Because this is my target spot today. This was my target. And as you can see, we hit my target and displaced away from it, so it is just okay. It is okay. Did I follow my high time from that? Absolutely fucking yes. First trade was a loss, second trade was a win. Satisfied, yes, definitely. RR on these two, we have plus 0.45 R and just plus 0.45%. So like in real markets you can't do 0.5 because you can't risk it's the same amount because it's just more or less points of in stop. So yeah, this trade was like it could have been a break even, but I had so much conviction, and it was Uzbekistan AR price action. Like in no fucking other month or Trump is just doing shit, man. Like no way we edge triple equalize. Like the fuck, we edged this by 6.5 points. The fuck, we even edged it by 6.75, man. 6.75%. Can't be real. I don't know how I would rate. Like it is really good. I just would rate it a proper. Like the bad thing is that we have this key level below, but the way we hit CE here and didn't really had to mitigate this. So it is an A setup. Come on, let me give this shit an A setup. And the other setup is a clear A plus, I would say, just because yeah, the way of conviction we had, rejection block, hourly CE edge, internal low. This is just fucking hella sauce. So just give this an A plus setup. Now it's fucking Friday, bro. Fucking week is over. This is what my week looks. We took 6 trades, 3 losses, 2 wins, 1 break even. Overall, let's just see what it was avoidable. Like all of these YouTube links I have set in right here, but overall, one day where I clicked no, and I know that it was not, it wasn't because of the break even, it wasn't because of the win, it was because of the fucking loss, because the loss was a fucking stop rate. Okay, I remember this loss. It was because of an CISD. It was because of a fucking CISD. Yeah, this shit, man. This shit was an obvious stop rate, and this shit was avoidable. So if I would have played everything clean this week, I would have been up minimum. I would have been up this amount of RR. I would have played it perfectly. If I would have played it perfectly. But I'm really happy how I played this week. Except for one trade this week. So let's just keep this pace, keep that momentum, and build up more momentum. More or less break even week, like you can call it a minus. But it is just so gay. Yeah, done for the week. I am just gonna backtest. Oh my god, like I have to watch these Bionic NQ videos. Like these are, like this is hella sauce. This just watching this was hella sauce, man. Oh my god, there's so much sauce in these, bro. I have to watch all of them. And I'm just gonna backtest. I'm probably also gonna do a backtesting video. I don't know if someone freaking watches this shit, but it's just for me, you know. don't want it is not right. Okay, I don't have a 50% win rate. I don't know why the fuck it's showing this. So yeah, let's just that is tonight. Oh no, tonight. Now I'm just going to the freaking. I'm eating something, then I'm just going to the gym. I'm running to the gym because I have a rule that says if I place. Am I satisfied how I played today? Satisfied how I played today. If I set in a no, then I have to run to the gym. I don't take the bike. Don't take my dad's car, or like he drives me because I don't have a driver's license. I have to run. Okay, it's not that much. It's like 4.5 or 4 kilometers, so it's not that deep. But just so my mind gets that feeling of, yo, fuck, you did something wrong, and you get what you deserve for doing this. So yeah, as I said, keep the momentum. Yeah. If someone sees this, I don't know if someone will, but I don't even know if someone will watch to this point of the video. But if you see this, I hope you're doing great, and I hope you achieve all you dream of. And if you see this, then leave a comment. Okay. I would be happy if someone sees this. I'm not gonna lie. See ya.